This is the state of my hair now. It's pretty nice. I like it, but it's getting a bit too long for my taste. So now I'm gonna give myself another DIY chop, thinking like somewhat French bob style. But because I'm thinking about going so short today, the approach is going to be slightly different from my last DIY haircut video, which I will link somewhere up here if you're interested in checking that out. But yeah, today, experimental. So let's see how it goes. I want to do it somewhat chin length. Anyway, if you're new here, hi, my name is Jean, this is our channel. If you like the video, please click like and give us a subscribe. Okay, right, so this is the setup. I'm in my bathroom. I am equipped with a pair of scissors, hair clips to hold up my hair, a bunch of hair ties in case I need them. I will need them, that is the plan, and a bottle spray. So the plan today is to cut it quite short, and this is the picture I'm kind of wanting to go for. I don't know what it will turn out to be, so let's hope the end result looks something akin to that. Okay, first I'm gonna brush my hair. Yes, so basically I've kind of like tried to gather up like the nape stuff. I'm gonna grab a hair tie and just tie that together. This is what it looks like. It's right at the bottom of the nape. By the way, not a hairdresser, saw a few YouTube videos, but honestly there's like so many tutorials on this and so many different methods. It all seems kind of like random. So, oh, by the way, now that I'm actually going to do the chop, I'm going to like just, to prevent mess, I tie a second band down there so that, you know, the hair doesn't scatter everywhere. And I get to take it out in one bunch. Clever, huh? Right, okay, so let's go. Oh shit. Ta-da! Right, okay, so time to let it out and see what I've done, what horror I've inflicted. Okay. Right, okay, now.
I think I'm overdosing. 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 I think I'm overdosing.
And as usual, I think it's really like
I'm getting higher just to feel ya, cause I need to. No one knows
I think it would look good. Back. This would look great. Okay, now time.
Taking the potion just to feel ya, cause I miss you. Oh my God, can't stop you like heroin. My love you got, there's no settlement. I can't pretend that we're nothing. Oh, I think I'm overdosing. think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing.
No, I think the previous video like a little bit.
I think I'm overdosing. 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 It's getting stronger. I think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing.
Cutting your own hair is strangely cathartic. It gives you this sense of control.
I think I'm overdosing. 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 I think I'm overdosing.
This is all the hair that I've cut out. Yeah, I'm gonna give this a blow dry and see how it goes at the back, because the back's still looking a bit pokey. I wanna see if styling can just disguise it a bit. Center part, or how I always do it, a little bit off to the left. Yeah. Right, so if you have enjoyed this DIY haircut video, please give the video a like and subscribe and help us grow the channel. I hope this has given you some inspiration for your own DIY haircut at home. Right, so I'm going off now to wash the little bits of hair off me, and I wish you all very fantastic DIY haircuts at home by yourself, cathartic experience. Give it a go if you're interested to have a try. I highly recommend it.